Greetings students, this video is about constructing a bar graph from data that you collected about a choice. So the first thing that I will do is click the data that was received from Microsoft Forms, and I will highlight the data from the question that I'm interested in graphing. And I will hit Command C to copy it. Then I will go to Q2 tab and Command V to paste it. So the question that I've asked for people to respond to is, when you dream, what color do you see? So before we create a bar graph, we will need to create the data from that bar graph will be made from. So we'll have a color, and we'll have the number of people that chose that. And their choices were black, red, yellow, and white. And when I look at this, I can count how many blacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now red. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. And white. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, here we go. Now, up on my little chart, I want to highlight the top row and hit Command B for bold. I also want to highlight the whole area that I need to graph. And then I will go up into my borders icon and select all borders. So now I know what I'm going to graph. So I will highlight that and go to Insert. And I would like to insert a column graph. And here's my column graph here. I can do a number of different ways and include several different things on here. The first thing that it does need is a title. So I will ask the question as the title, what color do you dream in? Okay, now notice I still need to label my axes. So I can come over here to add chart element, and I can go axis titles for my horizontal, and then go back to axis titles and do vertical, and that will allow you to click in here and add the titles. So below on my x-axis, those are my colors, and over here, this is number of people, and that's what those numbers represent. Okay. Now I have the opportunity to actually color these if I so choose. You can actually click on one of the bars, then change the color scheme there. So if you like something else, you can change the bar. You should be able to actually go and change just one, by clicking on it. And then going over here, you're on the Home tab, and then you can click the down arrow next to the paint can and choose the different colors that you want. I like green for that one, and then maybe yellow for this one over here. Now, it kind of gives you a gray color here, which can be hard to read at times. So if you click on the outside of your graph so that you have these little white markers on the graph and go to the A and click black, that will darken up that as well. I can go back to chart design and mess around with that if you want different types of charts, or you can go to format where you can select to put a border around your graph as well. And that's how to create a bar graph from a question about choice.